Welcome to the Hayylo Customer Communication Basics training video. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the essential steps of communicating with customers or contacts using Hayylo. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Hayylo. Launch the Hayylo application on your device. Step 2. Navigate to Actions Dashboard. Once you're in the Hayylo application, go to the Actions Dashboard where you can access all your actions. Step 3. Open an action. Select the specific action you want to communicate about from the list. Click on it to open the action details. Step 4. Send message. Within the action details, locate the Send Message button. This button allows you to initiate communication with the customer or contact associated with the action. Step 5. Formatting our message and confirming who we are messaging. Before composing your message, make sure to format it appropriately and include all the necessary details. Double check the recipient's name and contact information to ensure you are messaging the correct person. Step 6. How to check for replies, notifications and dashboard view. After sending your message, keep an eye out for any replies from the customer or contact. Hayylo provides notifications to alert you about new messages. You can also check the Hayylo Actions dashboard for any updates or responses related to the action. Congratulations! You have now learned the essential steps to communicate with customers or contacts using Hayylo. Remember to open Hayylo, navigate to the action dashboard, open the desired action, use the Reply to Sender button to initiate communication, format your message appropriately, confirm the recipient's details, and stay updated by checking for replies through notifications and the action dashboard. Thank you for watching and happy customer communication.